yung MELC sa mga hindi familiar, di ba? So this is an acronym. This is a term no, na ginagamit ng DepEd. When you say MELCs, these are your most essential learning competencies. Kung ano talaga yung kailangan na ilagay dyan sa ating curriculum. Kung ano talaga yung kailangang matutunan ng ating mga estudyante. Okay? So most essential learning competencies. At sinasabi po ng ating number 7, meron kang isang guro at tinitingnan niya, no? Tinitingnan po niya yung MELCs, yung competencies, at ina-align niya yung instruction niya with these competencies na coherent, aligned yung instruction niya with the competencies. And so this is a reflection of content mapping, curriculum exclusion, curriculum narrowing, or curriculum rejection. Of course, sa tumpak na choice po natin is letter A, content mapping ang ating hinahanap. No? So the rest of your choices are all negative. No?